Today we all have gathered in order to have a case study discussion about closed loop speed control for conveyor belts. So what is a conveyor belt?
It is easy to carry the material.
Yes, we know almost all the industries have conveyor belt in order to easily transport the materials from ground floor to first floor or second floor wherever they want. So conveyor belt is a transport the materials. So what is the main purpose of speed control?
In conveyor belt, we should maintain a constant speed.
Yes, very good. So in a conveyor belt, we should maintain a constant speed in order to have a safe travel of the materials. Because if the speed is not constant, then the materials will shake and there is a possibility of damage of materials. So that's why we are focused on speed control of conveyor belt using closed loop system. So generally in control system, we have learned about open loop and closed loop. So in open loop, we have some disadvantages like there will not be any feedback, whereas in closed loop, there will be a feedback in which using sensors we can maintain the speed of the control system. So now let us discuss about the speed control of conveyor belt.
I am here to share the introduction and problem statement which we overcome during the closed loop speed control conveyor belt. In this, as this is mainly used in the industries, in the manufacturing lines, if we use open loop system, the open loop system will not follow the constant or accurate speed. If we allow open loop system to this conveyor belt, it may cause some friction, damage, it leads to some collapse in the machine. Rather than using a open loop system, if we use closed loop system in the conveyor belt, it will give accurate speed control and it will be precise in condition.
I am going to share about working this. The closed loop is a conveyor belt system. Mainly consists of a motor. Conveyor belt signal, speed signal and the drive unit. A DC motor or a induction motor to a controller. DC motor or a induction motor drive to the controller. The speed sensor such as on input measure the actual belt speed. This measure the speed measure the speed is fed back to a controller. Usually PID controller or PLC. The controller compare the actual speed with the reference speed and the generated on a error signal. Based on this error, the controller adjusts the motor input to a variable frequency drive and ensuring a constant time.
So now we have heard something about from Brinda Devi about the open loop and closed loop system, and from Nishantini the operation of conveyor belts. So next let us have what's the strategy used in the industries in order to implement the conveyor belt from Pravishka.
So here I am happy about implementation. Here I am happy about control strategy and implementation. In TI control, the whole system is controlled by speed machines. In the proportional part reduces error, and the industrial part reduces the steady error, and the derivative part reduces the stability. So it's also both of them control all the users like bottling plants, food industries, and conveyor belts. Here, PLC controls the PLC controls all the monitoring system and reduce the delay condition. And the overall closed loop controls like detection, reliability, and automation.
So I am talking about the automation and the result of closed loop and control system of conveyor belt. So the major advantage of closed loop control system is high accuracy and reduced mechanical stress, energy efficiency, and product quantity. So it ensures smooth operation even shaper, and etc. And so in this case study highlights how control systems engage industrial productivity and accuracy.
So the closed loop is very much useful in order to control the speed in a conveyor belt. So without the speed control, the conveyor belt may not be operated properly. So by making the speed controlled, so their final efficiency will be high. It will be reliable to the industry, and overall feedback system is very much positive compared to the